Yeah, continuation from the bicep workout. This is about to go down. This is a great substitute for when you just don't have enough equipment in the gym. Because we're in my apartment gym right now, so I have to improvise again. So this is called 1 through 5, the ooh-wees, the goddammits even. Oh no, having smuggatroids, exit, curl these weights even. Yeah. Two, 1, 2, both. 1, 2, 3 to the right. 1, 2, 3, left. 1, 2, 3, both. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, both. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this is my to-go set because the last set is the best set. Give me 10 more, Big B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one, best one. Like, wait. And it goes down. It's about to go down with your boy Big B hitting these biceps. You know what I'm saying? Because I can't do my legs yet, as you all know. I talk about it every day. But this is Big B's road to recovery. I couldn't sit at home. I couldn't sit still. You know what I'm saying? I was getting bored. I was getting depressed. So I had to get in this gym. You know, I know a lot of people that had the same injury, but most people only had it on one leg. I got it on both legs, so it's a little bit more challenging for me than others. But you're still going to have to go through the same process if it ever happens to you, with the way you're going to be able to train, how long before you can train, what you can do when you're in the house, whether or not you can take a shower, how you sit on the toilet. I mean, how you wake up in the middle of the night, you got to use the urinal to pee. All that stuff, man. It's going to happen to anybody who goes through this surgery that I just went through. But you got to keep a positive mindset, get up in the gym, and do the damn thing. And then, as I always say, when you can't do no more, do some more. And it's going down. This is a great bicep workout. Get the squeeze in right there at the top. Build that peak like Popeye. I didn't eat my spinach this morning, but I'm about to eat it when I get back in the crib. Yeah, buddy. I think after this I might hit some dumbbells. You know what I'm saying? I'm here with a couple of fellows. They might not like to hear me say this, but I think we'll do a couple of sets with the dumbbells after this right here. Yeah. Get that squeeze. I'm like C.T. Fletcher. Grow! Grow! Yeah, I'm making it grow. I forgot my number. I think I'm past 25 though, but it's okay. Lightweight to a giant. And it's going down.